Today on termite protection methods, we're going to be talking about baiting. This is a common research subject and hopefully I can clear up some questions that you may have. The number one search question about baits are, should I do it myself? Most homeowners look for ways to save money, and this is totally understandable. But when it comes to protecting your home from termites, it's simply not worth the risk. If you're a do-it-yourselfer, you want to stay away from store brand termite stations like the one you see here in the picture. The main reason not to go with this particular system is that it does not give you the protection you need, and it does not allow you to inspect properly. The instructions on the box ask you to place these around your home, and basically if something feeds on it, then a stick will pop up, and this is your warning that something is there. Remember, over time, baits deteriorate, and without checking them regularly, you could end up not having any protection at all. If a bait station needs replacing, well, there's a problem. Once termites are disrupted in their feeding, they can go another direction. Another issue is that ants also can get into these stations, and they can send false alarms to you. You could end up spending more money by replacing them, when all you are doing is just basically feeding ants. This is what the supplier wants. You could be baiting wrong insects and never know it. If termites ever get inside your home, you're then stuck with a bill of maybe thousands of dollars in damage. Even though your intentions were right, the system has no guarantee. It's not worth the risk. Stop wasting your time. So what is termite baiting? How does it work? A termite bait system is designed to kill termites in a different way than a liquid treatment. A liquid treatment creates a barrier between your home and the termites through a treatment in the soil around your foundation. The bait systems are geared towards killing off the colony itself. There are many different types of professional baits out there, and as long as they are followed by their label, they do a great job. Here in Georgia, the prominent termite we face is subterranean termites. These termites live underground, so the bait station is one of the best treatments for preventative and control measures because they are easily accessible to the termite. On the left side, you see an example of termites reaching the baits through the soil. Because these termites tunnel through the ground, they feed on these baits and then go back into their colony, which gets destroyed. With this approach, small amounts of material known as toxins knocks out the population of termites foraging in and around your structure. In the picture on the right is a queen termite. She's the brains of the colony. The colony is where these termites live. When a termite brings the bait back to the colony, she is then affected by the bait and will end up in the entire colony being eliminated. Depending on the bait station's label, they need to be placed within 12 to 15 feet apart, but always follow the label about the spacing. Periodically, they need to be checked for activity and replacing the inside baits when needed to keep the termites busy. Always do an inspection along your foundation, and if you see termite tunnels against it, then a liquid treatment may be needed because termites are there or a colony is nearby. If you have a crawl space, you need to periodically check the crawl space. I'd recommend twice a year. Due to moisture and less activity in crawl spaces, it creates a hot spot for termites. No termite control method can guarantee you will never get termites, but the termite baiting system is a simple process. It can be used preventatively to detect termites where they are not yet a problem. Think of the baiting system as a smoke detector. It's a great tool to tell where termites are nearby. Future Services does a great job at protecting homes. So why wait until you have an issue when you can simply prevent the issue entirely? Ask yourself, is it really worth not having protection? Your home is the largest investment you will ever purchase. It protects you and your family. Do you want termites inside eating your investment? And guess what? Homeowners insurance does not cover for termite damage, but we do. Give us a call for a free estimate today. 1-800-750